Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the SAR Shop's red sneakers that match my outfit perfectly today, so I'm super excited about that. Ooh. So it's just one soft, flexible sneaker that you just slip on. Super breathable. You can see the breathe holes or the air holes there. Yeah, the sole looks really nice and comfortable. Inside is just white like the sole. So this is what it looks like. Side view. Okay, so it slides on perfectly. It's a little bit loose over here, so I wouldn't necessarily use it as like a running shoe, but it is a walking shoe. As you can see from the thick heel over here, the stretchiness or like the flexibility in the sole. Of course, it matches this outfit perfectly, so this is what I'll be wearing with it. Maybe a little too perfectly, it's too much red, but in general, just a really nice, comfortable, breathable shoe. That's what it looks like. If you want to purchase these shoes, check out the links below, and they come in all sorts of different colors, sizes, all that stuff, and even different styles and designs on the top. So check it out. And please remember to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about these shoes, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.